Hello, welcome to this demo. I'm Juan Chaparro, the CEO and co-founder of Pipehire. I'm going to spend a few moments with you teaching you and showing you how our platform works. Pipehire is going to help you in three ways. First, helping you hire the right employees by reducing the time to hire and cost by 75%. Second, it's going to help you manage your employees better by organizing, streamlining your recruiting and onboarding processes so you can grow headcount and revenue. And three, we will help you retain employees longer by keeping them engaged with your company and reducing turnover. So now let's get started. All right, now we're here in the funnel where you will see all your applicants coming in from Indeed, from Facebook, from ZipRecruiter, any source of marketing. All the applicants fall into this one funnel. Now, as you can see, there's different stages: applicant, there's qualified, there's to be interviewed, training, etc., onboarding. So the goal of this funnel is to organize your process and give you a streamlined way to manage each candidate. So from this point, you also see colors. So people that are A or green color, those are the best qualified for the job application based on the scoring of the questions. And B players are those that are somewhat in the middle. And the C players are definitely people that are not qualified, and we should basically archive them because you don't want to waste time with anybody that doesn't qualify. So now, as you can see here, you can click on Linda White, for example, and you can see why she's an A player. You will see her age, her basic information, the last employers, and how much experience she has. And basically, as you can see, all these questions have points associated with them, which is going to help you even make a better decision of this particular person. So you just keep scrolling, and this is going to make the biggest difference in the scoring, in the screening process, because we're already doing the pre-screening for you automatically as soon as they submit the application. And now you just have to kind of take a quick look, and that's it. You don't have to spend any more of your time. Also in here you can click notes. You can put notes so team can write something about this particular applicant. We're gonna allow you to send text messages and see their social media profiles very soon. And last thing here is you can run background checks if you want immediately now, because we have their social security and we have the driver's license. All of these can be done right here in one system.